Okay students, the next one is subtract minus 8 by 44 from minus 17 by 11. Subtract minus 8 by 44 from minus 17 by 11. Okay. Now the solution is, we are going to subtract, isn't it? So we should not write minus 8 by 44 minus 17 by 11, because we are going to subtract this minus 8 by 44 from minus 17 by 11, isn't it? So first we have to write minus 17 by 11 minus of minus 8 by 44. This is what the writing procedure. Minus 17 by 11 minus of minus 8 by 44, which is equal to, here the first one is minus 17 by 11. Now we have to eliminate the bracket, isn't it? So we have to eliminate the bracket, we have to multiply the symbol. So minus into minus plus. So we have to put here plus. Then the next one is 8 by 44, isn't it? So we can write 8 by 44. Now you see here there are two methods to do this sum. First, as usual, we can write we can find the LCM as 44, then convert this 11 into a 44, then we can simplify. Otherwise, in a easy way, here you see this 8 and 44 as a common divisor as 4, isn't it? So simply we can cancel this numerator and denominator by 4. So if we cancel by fourth table, 2 4s are 8, 11 4s are 44, isn't it? Then we can get the same denominator. Okay. Suppose in case the numerator and denominator means the same fraction only, we can be cancelled. Okay. If the 17 and this denominator have the common divisors means we should not cancel, because the plus sign is here. If it is multiplication is here means we can cancel. But here plus sign, plus or minus sign between two fraction means we should not do that. This numerator and this denominator we should not cancel. Okay. This numerator and this denominator can be cancelled. Okay. Now we can write minus 17 by 11 plus this 2 by 11. Now you see here we have the common denominator 11. So we can put the common denominator 11. Now we can add the numerators. The numerators are minus 17 plus 2. Now you see here minus 17 plus 2. As usual, these two numbers with different sign. So we have to find the difference, isn't it? So 17 minus 2, 15. So we can write in the numerator 15 by, and the denominator is here 11, isn't it? So minus 15 by 11, because here the greater number is 17. It has the minus sign, isn't it? So definitely we should put here minus 15 by 11. Now this is a improper fraction, so convert this into a mixed fraction. Okay, so as usual we have to divide 15 by 11. So here minus sign we have, so first we have to put a minus. Now how many 11s are in 15? There is only one 11, isn't it? So we have to put 1 as a whole number. Now 15 minus 11 is 4, isn't it? So we can put the numerator 4 by denominator is 11. Okay. So minus 1, 4 by 11. This is our required answer, which is minus 1, 4 by 11. So when we subtract this minus 8 by 44 from minus 17 by 11, we have the result minus 1, 4 by 11. Okay. Now the next one. Next sum is evaluate. In evaluate, the first one, 9 by 132 into minus 11 by 3. this is the fifth sum in exercise 1.2. We are going to evaluate 9 by 132 into minus 11 by 3. Okay, so we are to write 9 by 132 into minus 11 by 3, which is equal to, first we have to write the same thing, 9 by 132 into minus 11 by 3. Here we are going to multiply the fractions, isn't it? So if the numerator and denominator have the common divisors, means we can cancel. Okay, here the multiplication symbol is here. So this numerator, this denominator also can be cancelled. Okay, here you see, here the first one is 9, isn't it? This 9 and this denominator 3 have the common divisor as 3. So we can cancel by third table. 1 3 is 3 and 3 3s are 9. Now we can cancel any other thing. This here 132 and here 3, isn't it? So we can check this 132, maybe it divisible by 3 or not. How to check? We have to take the sum of the digits. In 6th standard you may be learned. Okay, 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So it can be divisible by 3. Okay, so 1 3 is 3. Now here in 30 there are 4 times 3, isn't it? 4 3s are 12 and 1 is carrying now 12. So again 4 3s are 12. Now this denominator is 44 and here the numerator is 11. These two can be divisible by 11, isn't it? So 1 11 is 11 and here 4 11s are 44. So we can write. Here we can simplify the numerators. We have to multiply the numerators, then we have to multiply the denominators. You see, in numerator plus into minus, minus. Already I said, first we have to multiply the symbol. Okay, otherwise we will forget. Okay, so plus into minus, minus. Then 1 1 is 1 by. Now the denominator. You see here the denominator is 4 and here 1. 4 1s are 4. So our answer is minus 1 by 4. So when we multiply this 9 by 132 with minus 11 by 3, our result is minus 1 by 4. Okay. Now we can do the next one. Next sum is minus 7 by 27 into 24 by minus 35. Minus 7 by 27 into 24 by minus 35. Okay. Now we have to multiply these two fractions. Now you see here minus 7 by 27 into 24 by minus 35. As usual, if the numerator and denominators have the common divisors, means we can cancel. Okay, you see here this first we can cancel the symbol. Okay, here minus, here minus. This is the, so we can cancel this minus and this minus. Now here 7, here the denominator is 35, isn't it? These two can be divided by 7, isn't it? So we can cancel by 7. So 1 7 is 7. Here 5 7s are 35. Now you see here the numerator is 24 and here the denominator is 27, isn't it? So these two can be divisible by 3. How many 3s are in 84? 8 3s are 24. Sorry, 8 3s are 24. Now here the denominator is 27. 9 3s are 27, isn't it? So here we can put 9. You can see this 8 and this 5 have no common divisors. Now also this 8 and 9 also have no common divisors. So we can multiply the numerators, then multiply the denominators. Okay, here you see the numerators are 1 and 8. So 1 8 is 8 and the denominator is 9 and 5. 9 5s are 45. So our answer is 8 by 45. So when we multiply this minus 7 by 27 with 24 by minus 35, we get the answer 8 by 45. Okay. The next sum, sixth one, divide. So sixth one is divide. The first one, minus 21 by 5 by this minus 7 by minus 10. We have to divide minus 21 by 5 by minus 7 by minus 10. So first we have to write minus 21 by 5 divided by minus 7 by minus 10. Here you see we are going to divide, isn't it? So the first one we should not change. We have to write as usual. Whatever it is, we have to write the fraction minus 21 by 5. Then we have to convert this division as into a multiplication. So here we have to put into. When the division is changed as a multiplication, we have to write the reciprocal of the next one. Here the reciprocal of minus 7 by minus 10 is minus 10 by minus 7. I think you know about the reciprocal, isn't it? Reciprocal means the numerator comes to the denominator comes to the numerator. Okay. So now we have to multiply as usual. First we can cancel this minus and minus. Okay. Now you see here minus 21. Okay. Here 7. And this 21 and 7 can be divisible by 7, isn't it? So we can cancel by 7th table. So 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are 21. Now you see next here 10 and here the denominator is 5. These two can be divisible by 5. So we can cancel by 5th table. Okay. So 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. Now here the denominator we have 1 into 1, isn't it? So we can multiply the numerators. Here minus into plus minus, 3 2s are 6. The denominator is 1 into 1, 1, isn't it? So minus 6 by 1 means the value is minus 6. So our record answer is minus 6. So when we divide this minus 21 by 5 by minus 7 by minus 10, we get the answer minus 6. Okay students, the remaining sums let us see in the next class. Thank you.